What's up, everybody? DinZul. Just kidding. Welcome back to the vlog. Be showing you our trip, Las Vegas with JJ. Anna lives. We're waiting on Anna right now, but it'll be a banger vlog. We don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see. Try to get some new numbers, whatever. But yeah. JJ, are you excited?
No.
Okay. One and only.
Ladies, I'm working.
Oh. We got the squad is back. The squad is back. Anna lives. JJ. And Anna lives. JJ. Anna lives. Alright. It's your best friend.
My best friend.
We gotta do it because the first video. Guys, the first riz of the day? The first riz at the airport? Okay, so. Excuse me. I was just wondering, where'd you get that?
Where'd I get what?
That beauty. Yeah. Are you from here?
I am.
You have a boyfriend? Okay. Alright. Take it as a compliment. Alright, good. First rejection?
Huh?
First rejection? Fuck. I'm very excited. We don't know what to expect. So. Oh.
In the Wazel 9?
In the Wazel 9.
Up, they no way. Up.
Hey, we did one riz, but we failed. She had a boyfriend. Happy.
Ha ha ha.
What does that say?
The classics.
I don't know about that.
You know about that.
Yeah. Guys, drop in the comments who you think is going to get the most numbers out of us three.
Out of us three?
Yeah. So we'll see, yeah.
I didn't realize it was a competition, but
I didn't either.
No, just leave a like, guys, and like subscribe.
Guys, leave a comment leave a comment if you guys saw the Florida vlog and I guys are back for the Vegas vlog.
Hey, yeah. Nice burger. What do you think?
dude, really?
I know. What'd you think of the burger?
The best fast food burger I've ever had, honestly.
Wow. Do you agree?
It's pretty good, but
Yeah.
dude, come on.
Sipping lean with it, having dreams with it, smoke a cig with it, pay the price with it. Talking about me, can I see? Talking about me, demons inside me.
Oh, we're here.
You know, no.
How you guys feeling?
Turn it off, bro. There's a baddie. You gotta
Where?
go. I'm putting it out.
Where?
In that store. I'm not even joking.
Where?
In the store.
Excuse me. Sorry, my friend, he thought you were cute. I'm sorry, but he thought you were cute, by the way. Oh, is it okay if he comes? Like, talk to you? I know. Yeah, he thought you were talking.
Sorry, what's your name?
Yasmin.
Yasmin?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vancouver,
Vancouver?
Canada.
Canada. Oh, I was about to say, like Vancouver, Washington. Wait, no,
Where are you guys from?
Oh, we're from Utah.
You're from Utah.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I give you this?
Yeah.
Right. Ah, no, we just got here. JJ.
I got the best hotel.
Holy.
So good.
I know, it smells good, huh?
Why are you putting that on?
That's right, man.
Pull up with white socks, with flip flops, and still talk.
What? What?
This is crazy.
I don't know, what do you think?
What?
What do you think?
We get like room service and shit.
What?
Sorry.
Speaking Spanish?
Speaking English?
You speaking Spanish?
I speak English. I don't know.
You speaking Spanish? Oh, we got a view.
Oh my god.
I don't know, what do you think? Time for Riz?
No, time for JJ. What time is it, JJ? Who
What?
did that? Must have been the one.
Alright guys, we're in Las Vegas. We just got here. I'm pretty tired. Barely slept last night, but I'll try to get some content today. We'll see, but we're kind of be just chilling today. So looking forward to the next coming days. We're gonna go to the pool party tomorrow. Maybe I'm gonna Riz Summer Rae. Who knows? She's gonna be
Bro,
there.
if somebody's actually there, I'm gonna cry.
Just kidding. But no, we're just.
What was that? Fucked up.
Yeah,
Watch.
yeah. We'll see what the days. See where it takes us.
Guys, it's literally only like burning hot water.
Just turn the other lever.
I did.
Do it again.
We actually all won.
We went up.
We did a little bit of risking. We all won some monies. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
This is my favorite place
Stop,
ever.
Vino. Stop.
Oh yeah. But anyways, not many people.
Hey
So
guys, this is him.
oh, our Uber's here.
What's your name, bro?
Hey, Chris.
Chris.
Chris, nice to meet you, bro.
You're the man, bro.
I was kind of exploring right now, but
Dude, can you get out of the way?
it's beautiful though, really. Holy shit. Wiki wiki. That's day 2. We gotta talk like this when I hop on the camera. I know, no success. What? But no success because it was very late. We're tired. We kind of just messing around, playing a little. Today's the day for some entertainment. Guys, honestly, my diet is being cooked right now. No raw meat, unfortunately. I don't know what the pool. You know, we're looking. Gotta get some water though, right? Hold on. Alright, let's see, guys. Let's see what we can do. What? See what we can do, huh? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Where'd you get that?
What?
That beauty.
Oh.
I'm sure you get hit on. I'm sure you get hit on 24/7.
Oh, you're so kind. Thank you.
Do you have a boyfriend? I don't have a boyfriend. What's your name?
Juliet.
Juliet.
Yes.
So I can follow your Instagram.
Are you from here?
No. I'm from Europe.
Oh my god, no way.
Serbia.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Dino.
Nice to meet you.
Like dinosaur. Alright. Alright guys, low-key. It's impossible. Difficulty. You know. Excuse me? Oh, you're calling someone? I was just saying, where'd you get that?
What?
Where'd you get that?
Where'd I get what?
That beauty. Just like,
Thank you.
do you have a boyfriend?
That was a good line.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright, have a good day.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Man. I guess we got to the mall fashion show. Yeah. Hey. Excuse me. Kiss me if I'm wrong, but dinosaurs still exist, right?
I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend? Okay. Yeah. You got one, Mike.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, I was just wondering if you can give it back.
You said what?
Can you give it back? Oh.
Sorry, bro. Sorry, I know you guys. I don't mean to break up anything. I just wanted to meet you, bro. Do you think I can get a picture?
Yeah,
real
sure.
quick? Cool.
Alright. Oh wait, excuse me. Is there a way I can like? You just caught my attention. I was gonna say pickup line, but I was just wondering if I can like get your number.
Sorry, I'm in a relationship.
All right. Excuse me. Where'd you get that?
Almost like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
No. That beauty. Your beauty.
Oh.
Where'd you get it?
Oh.
Just kidding. What's your name? Oh, you okay? It's okay. Okay, have a good day. Have a good day. My bad. Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry. I was my friend's dad. But it's,
You're not being for real.
no, he's
I
serious.
literally. Okay.
Wait, what happened?
I just already don't believe you.
What? Oh, you just said he likes how you look.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's wondering like if you get your number or Instagram.
I'm sorry, I have a boyfriend.
Oh shoot. She's pretty.
I have a boyfriend.
Yeah, boyfriend. Oh, she's both. Alright, we just ate. You know, it gets better when you eat. You got more energy now, so. Right. When you eat, you can always take an L, but you gotta keep trying. And then we come back from it, right, guys? No.
I'm fucking it.
Alright. Excuse me. Sorry, my friend. You thought you were very attractive. Do you want that or?
You can have my Instagram.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, I know.
My name's Anel.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Catalina.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Idaho.
Idaho. That's pretty close. We're from Utah. I loved it. Yeah.
Do you work here?
I do work here.
Okay.
I wouldn't be carrying around an iPad if I didn't.
Yeah, true. I was just wondering if you can help me find something for my girlfriend.
Yeah, of course. What does she like?
Like jeans, like.
I can see any jeans. What does she go for? What does she usually wear?
Oh, like do you want to see how she looks like? Maybe get an
Yes,
idea.
yes.
Okay, I got you. Yeah, she looks like this. Yeah.
You're so funny. You got jokes, huh?
What? I got what?
You got
Chugs?
jokes.
Oh, jokes.
You
Yeah.
got jokes, huh?
What's your name?
Jessica.
Jessica. I found you very attractive.
Thank you.
I was wondering if I get your number.
Sure, I'll give it.
All right. What? Sure.
Sure, why not? I'm wrong.
Okay, I'll text you. If you don't respond to me, I'm gonna start crying.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, have a good day, okay?
Alright, thank
Alright,
you.
I'll text you, seriously. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. So I was just like walking. I thought you were the most attractive girl I've ever seen
Oh.
in my life.
Hey,
For
bro,
real. Oh.
I just want to say thanks for that 10K last night.
I got you, bro.
appreciate
Thank
it,
you.
bro. It means a lot.
Oh, hey, I'm sorry, man. Thank you. Sorry, that's just someone I don't know.
Oh yeah.
What's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle? Michelle, Dino. My name's Dino. It sounds like a good couple.
Sounds
You know?
like a
Yeah. What's your name? What's your name?
great- Maddie.
Maddie, do you vouch for this?
For,
Me and her? Like, we look like good together?
Oh yeah.
Alright, bro.
Like you just come on.
Hey, but I was wondering if I could get your number.
That's it.
Alright, bro. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Sorry.
That's okay.
Do you work here?
Yeah.
Oh, I was trying to find some makeup for my girlfriend.
Okay. What kind of makeup? What were you thinking
I
of?
don't know, looks like a nice makeup. But do you want to see how she looks like, maybe get an idea?
Yeah.
Okay, like what kind of makeup she wears?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, she looks like this.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You're funny.
What's her name? What's your name, girl?
Carissa. Nice
Carissa,
to
nice
meet
to
you.
meet you.
Hi, you're funny.
I was wondering, like, if I get
You
your...
scared me.
I scared you? What do you mean?
That whole camera.
Is there a way I can get your number or something? Or...
You can get my Instagram.
Why Instagram?
You can get my Instagram.
Why you don't want my number?
Why? Why is Instagram bad?
Okay, fine. Jay, you good? You good, Matt? You not good? Sorry.
What?
Are you okay?
No.
Why? See, this is my life, bro.
What? Why?
I walk this much.
What?
I walk this much.
This is easy, dude.
Where's this guy going? I know. I know. Where you going? Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't want to bother you guys, but my friend by the pole right there. Thought you were cute.
I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Alright, we're in Caesar Palace. We're going to Omnia, let's try it out. People telling me Omnia's popping, but I came to check it out. Right, J Money? Right, bro? Whoa, this is cool. It's pretty cool. Anna, what do you think?
Where the shit is Omnia?
Well, we couldn't get in because we didn't have pants. Anna, what do you have to say? Alright guys, day 3. It's Chick-fil-A. Seed oils. Unfortunately, we gotta break it, guys. There's no more on me here, so see if we get some more videos today. Anna,
What?
see if we get more videos today.
A lot more videos, hopefully.
Yeah, come on. What do you think, Jay?
What video?
Like, I don't know.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, lock in. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. My friend, he's deaf. He just wanted to experience talking to a girl for the first time.
Oh. You can understand.
Yeah. He said he likes your outfit.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We're going to the club.
Yeah. Oh, club? Which one?
Live.
Live? Disco line? Or okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, he's wondering if you get your Instagram.
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah.
Sorry.
I was wondering if I could get your Instagram though.
Boyfriend.
You guys all have boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I hope you guys have fun.
Thank
All
you.
right. See you.
Have a great day.
See you. Thanks for taking care. I don't know, what are you doing?
Yeah, hanging around.
Going to the pool, gonna see disco lines. Yeah. See, where we at? Where I live. I know.
Holy shit!
It's pretty cool.
This is actually cool.
Pretty sick. Shoo, man, J Money. I know, a lot of people, huh? Where'd JJ go? JJ, how you feeling?
Where are y'all going?
What?
Fucker.
What?
You're not funny.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, little boy.
Hey,
Hey, little boy.
what's up?
You're not funny.
Alright guys, we're at the strip. I know.
Huh?
It's the last night. We're gonna go to Excess after this. JJ, you coming? Alright.
Throwing up hearts love signs. Wasting time, I'm gonna find the love of my life. Throwing up my heart.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Sorry, I just don't want to bother you, but my friend, he thinks you're cute. My friend thinks you're cute.
Hi. You want to take a picture?
He doesn't speak English.
Oh, really?
He speaks Spanish.
I know a little bit.
He's deaf too.
I'm lying. You're lying.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from Africa.
No, the accent is different.
Really?
Wait.
No, I'm South African. Afrikaan. Yeah.
Let's see your ID.
They don't
I'm just
say,
kidding.
They don't say Afrikaan.
Yeah, it's Afrikaan.
No, they don't.
Yeah.
You guys want a picture?
No, it's okay. Yeah,
Come
sorry,
on,
we're
you
just
guys
trolling.
match us.
No, we're just trolling. I'm sorry.
How old are you guys?
Oh, I'm supposed to be deaf.
Yeah, guys, that's it for the Vegas vlog. It was lit. It was fun. Yeah, key takeaway from this is, you know, don't go into places having high expectations. You're not gonna find everyone there attractive, but if you do see an opportunity, always take it, because you don't know when there'll be a next one. So don't always expect going somewhere, oh yeah, we're gonna find the most perfect girl that I want, because perfect doesn't exist. So you just kind of gotta deal with what you got. Yeah, always take the opportunity. Again, in Las Vegas, I took opportunities. It led me to other places that I would not expect. So it's always important to do that. Make it more interesting. Make your trip more interesting. You know, obviously when you're more taller, more attractive, more money, everything is gonna be more different. So this was just my experience. If you want to learn what I do, you know, if you want one-on-one access with me, link in description, guys. Join my school community. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment down below, what do you guys want next? Do you want more of this? Do you guys like the group? But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.